Well, a new online resource for youth has been launched just in time for Mental Health Week. The website, called Be There, created by Jack.org, provides young Canadians with knowledge and skills on how to support each other through a mental health struggle. For more on this, we are joined by Amy Wang, who is a mental health advocate and a spokesperson for the site. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to have you here. First of all, tell us a little bit about the website. So it's bethere.org. It's different from Jack.org.
Yeah, so it's a new tool that we just launched yesterday. It's a tool that's for young people and their friends and family to better support each other. Jack.org surveyed about 1,200 people from all across Canada, and we found that while 83% or so have supported someone struggling with their mental health, only 39% actually felt confident or had the skills and knowledge to do that. So we realized there was that really big gap there, and we wanted to address that with the Be There tool.
Now, talk about some of the resources that this provides in terms of helping some of the young people.
Yeah, so when you do go onto the website, you'll notice that there are a number of modules. We also have personal stories and videos to accompany these sort of 5 golden rules that we talk about on the website. And the
What are those 5 golden rules?
Yeah, the golden rules are: say what you see, show that you care, hear them out, know your role, and connect them to help. So there are a number of different scenarios someone might find themselves in when it comes to supporting someone struggling with their mental health, and it can be quite complex. So just really understanding when to say, what to say at certain times and what to do can just be a difficult thing to understand. So that's why we created the tool.
Now, it's always an important issue, but it's certainly much different than when Jennifer and I went to school. What is it like now for young Canadians? Talk about some of the issues and how things have evolved and developed, and in many cases been made worse.
Yeah, so suicide is the #1 leading health-related cause of death in young people, and it's a stat that I'm really not proud or happy to talk about. And there's just been a lot of issues that young people have had to deal with. Some are diagnosed with mental illness and they're not able to access supports on campus. There are long wait times, or it just costs a lot to access the support that you need. There's also stigma. So a lot of young people are struggling in silence. There are a lot of people out there that don't even know what mental health is, or don't know what to do when they're struggling, or they just don't have a support system. So being able to sort of address that, hey, we all have mental health, we all may struggle, and it's important that we reach out for help and we have these conversations so that people don't need to struggle in silence, and we don't need to report that suicide is the #1 health-related cause of death in young people.
So this website not only helps young people, but it helps parents. Parents can go on this website and see if maybe their child is dealing with some sort of issue and what the signs are.
Yeah, so Be There definitely was created for young people in mind, but I feel that the knowledge there is really important for everyone. So it's not just simply for young people to use, definitely parents and family can use it as well.
We don't have a lot of time, but I mean, talk about how social media has really changed so much in the society and affected young people in a positive but also a negative way.
Yeah, definitely. I definitely do agree that social media is that double-edged sword. I think it's just really important for us to understand what we want to see when it comes to the content that we're viewing online, and what are things that we might want to stay away from, because it can be overwhelming, especially there tends to be a lot of negativity in the news, and it can impact our lives. So I definitely feel like it's a tool that can be used to promote a lot of positivity, especially with Be There, to get that message out there. But yeah, I definitely agree that we need to be careful as well.
So it launched yesterday, bethere.org. Visit it today.
Yes, absolutely. Amy Wang, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.